Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do hard reset OPPO A12 smartphone. Okay, to do hard reset, first power it off. Okay, now slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Now release. Now volume keys to move up and down and power to select. Okay, now select language, and you can see it will send you in recovery, color OS recovery. Okay, now go to wipe data and select, and here you can see please enter verification code 5070. Enter it 5070, and you can see wipe data, keep SMS, contacts and photos, and format data. Now go to format data and select. You can see formatting the data partition will erase all user information. Now tap on OK, and here you can see wiping data. Please wait, please don't do any other operations. Okay, so here you can see formatting the data partition success. Tap on OK. So guys, this is the method to do hard reset OPPO A12 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.